All right, Patriots, let's move on to number 11. We're going to do the volume of a square pyramid. Now remember that the name of the pyramid is always going to tell us what shape the base is. So in this case, it's a square, which is going to come in pretty important for some of the things we're going to need to solve this. First off, let's get our volume formula down. Area of the base times the height of the pyramid, all divided by 3. Which means we need to find our area of the base and our height of the pyramid. Well, area of the base is going to be simple enough. It's a square, so each side is going to be 8. So it's just going to be 8 times 8 gives me 64 meters squared. Now for the height, I can't use this one because this is the slant height, which is my cursive L or italicized L in print. I'm going to need to find this guy here, the vertical, which is the true height. Now in order to find that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the apothem, which goes from the center of the square to the midpoint of one of the sides of the square. Now, since it's a square and since the vertex of a square pyramid will always hit the exact center, that means that this piece is going to be exactly half of the entire side, so it's 4. I now have a right triangle with sides of 24, and I need to find the third side. Well, that means that I need to use Pythagorean Theorem. So I'm going to jump over to the side and do 4 squared plus h squared equals 20 squared. 20 goes on the side by itself because it is the hypotenuse. 16 plus h squared is equal to 400. So h squared, subtract 16 on both sides, is going to give me 384. Take the square root on both sides. Jump to the calculator to get a number. Gives me 19.59. The 9 is going to be rounded up because of the 5, but that's going to cascade over, so I get 19.60 meters. Now we plug that into our volume formula. Volume equals 64 times 19.60, all divided by 3. 64 times 19.60 divided by 3 means my volume is 418.13 meters cubed. And there we go. Area or the volume of a square pyramid.